Good morning and welcome to NTM video from the seaside town of Bridlington on the east coast in Yorkshire. Bridlington is situated about 28 miles north of Kingston upon Hull. It's a very old town, was first recorded in the Domesday Book in 1086 and known as Bridlington. Today we're going to visit the historic harbour and stroll its streets, so what are we waiting for? Let's jump right in. There we have views down to the south beach. Tends to be a bit a longer beach and more sandier than the north beach. Ideal for games. The north beach, on the other hand, is a mixture of sand and shingle, and it's got great views of the dramatic cliffs at Flamborough Head. And in between that particular position you'll find the best part for me, which is Sewerby and its gardens. So here we are, just entering the harbour. This dates back to the 12th century and still a working fishing port. The Yorkshire Belle. I think most visitors to Bridlington have had a cruise on her, including myself, and I get seasick. It came into commission in 1947, and you can still get cruises between May and October in the year to visit places like Flamborough Head and bird nesting sites. Well, that was a big mistake, filming the seagulls. Yes, you've guessed it. So we'll have a walk into the town area now. There are not a lot of people around today. As you can guess, the temperature is only 6 degrees. Boys department store. I tell you what, you can get anything in there. I think Goodwin's was the old Woolworths store. And Bridlington used to have a Marks and Spencer's. I know a lot of people have been a bit disappointed that that closed. Here, look at these two, waiting for fish and chips. Statue of a woman waiting for her lover to return from the sea, knitting a gansey, a fisherman's gansey, to keep him warm. So we're now looking over the North Beach with views to Flamborough Head. This does look a nice place, the pavilion. Well guys, no trip to the coast would be complete without fish and chips, so let's pay the fish shop a visit. And don't they look wonderful? Well, I'm going to enjoy these. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you in the next one.